TikTok is officially banned in the USA. With over 170 million users and countless businesses relying on it, the big question is, what's next? How can creators and businesses survive this massive shakeup? Let's dive into what the ban means and how you can bounce back stronger than ever. Hi, and welcome to The Profitarium, where we simplify finance and business topics for you. Today, we're breaking down the TikTok ban, what led to it, how it impacts creators and businesses, and the best platforms to shift to moving forward. First, let's understand why TikTok got banned. US lawmakers expressed concerns over national security, claiming that TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, could share user data with the Chinese government. Despite months of negotiations, ByteDance couldn't divest its US operations in time, leading to the ban officially going into effect on January 18, 2025. So, what does this mean? Well, TikTok is now inaccessible to users in the US, leaving millions of creators and businesses scrambling for alternatives. This ban has hit creators and businesses hard. Imagine spending years building a following and monetizing your content, only to lose access overnight. Businesses that relied on TikTok for marketing and ad revenue are now facing tough decisions. For creators, this isn't just about losing followers. It's about losing income from sponsorships and partnerships. Businesses now have to rethink their ad strategies entirely. But don't worry, there's a way forward. Let's talk solutions. Here are the top 3 platforms you should focus on now. 1. Instagram Reels. Instagram already has a massive user base and similar features to TikTok. Plus, you can reach a more professional audience, perfect for brand deals. 2. YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is growing fast and is backed by YouTube's incredible monetization options. Unlike TikTok, your content here can generate long-term revenue. 3. Snapchat Spotlight. Snapchat is investing heavily in short-form content and even offers cash rewards for top-performing videos. These platforms offer great tools to grow your audience and even earn money. The key is to adapt quickly. Start repurposing your TikTok content for these platforms and leverage your existing audience to rebuild. Here's a quick strategy to transition seamlessly. 1. Download and save your TikToks. Export your existing TikTok library to use on other platforms. 2. Customize for each platform. Instagram favors aesthetic content, YouTube Shorts thrives on storytelling, and Snapchat Spotlight loves raw, fun clips. 3. Engage your existing audience. Use your Instagram, YouTube, or email list to announce your new focus and keep your followers updated. 4. Experiment with ads. If you're a business, test out ad campaigns on Instagram and YouTube to replace lost TikTok revenue. The TikTok ban is a big change, but it doesn't have to end your growth as a creator or business. By adapting and exploring new platforms, you can build a presence even stronger than before. What do you think about the TikTok ban? Are you switching to a new platform or waiting for TikTok's possible return? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on how to stay ahead in the world of finance and business. See you next time.